Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second Sudoku with 4 stars. In this additional with extra Sudokus on Friday, January the 29th, 2021. Yes, the second Sudoku is a 4-star Sudoku, and this will be number 2243. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 2226 plus 3 is 9, plus 3 is 12, plus 5 is 17, plus 2 is 19, plus 3 is 22, plus 2 24. Yes, I've told you one less than the previous Sudoku. Previous Sudoku has 25 printed digits. This one 24. Alright. So let's get started. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. You see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Yes. Alright. Let me scan. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so in the column next. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so in the row between. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 2 is missing. 5 is missing, and 9. These 3 missing numbers in this big square, those missing numbers are the 2, the 5, and the 9. We see here 2, so no 2 there. We see the 5, so no 5 there. So the 2 and the 5 cannot be in this box. The 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and the 5, so 1 digit left in this big square for the number 9. Alright. 2 numbers left in this second column. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing and the 7 is missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And then 2, 2, 2, 3. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7. So no 7 in these 3 boxes. There's 7. No 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7. Should be there. 7 in this row. 7 in the last row. So in the row between. The only place for a 7 should be there. And then 3 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing number in the middle row is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the middle row. Those numbers are the 2 and the 8. The 2 and the 8. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Yeah. 5, 7, 3, 6, 3, 6. No. 3, 8. Yes. Let me think. How about, yes, in this big square we have 7 missing numbers. 7. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. So we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Then. How about 5, 6, 7, 9? Yeah. I'm thinking. 6. Okay. 2. Yeah. Hmm. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 8 should be there. Well. 5. Yes. In the middle column, we have now 5 missing numbers. The 2 is missing. The 5 is missing. The 6 is missing. And the 9 is missing. And look, we have a 5 here in this big square. So no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. The 2, we see here 2 in this big square. So no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. The 6 and the 9. Well, look, we have a 6 and a 9 there. So this box cannot be 6 or a 9 here. And cannot be a 5. So this should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this cannot be 2 anymore. This should be a 2. And this should be a 5. Alright. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see that 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then 1, 2, 3 is missing. The 8 is missing. 3, 8, and the 7. 7 should be also here. And the 8 as a pair. Yes. Yes. We have an 8 in this row. 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 8 could be here, could be there. One of the missing number in this big square is a 7. We see here 7, so no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. 1 box left in this row for the number 3. Those 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 9. 6, 7, and the 9. And look, we have a 7 there, no 7 there. Here, 7, no 7 there. The only place for a 7 should be there. The 6 and the 9 are left now. Let me mark those 2 boxes. It's a pair. It's a pair. 6, 6. Alright. Those three numbers. 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 2, 6, and the 9. 269. 269. How about these three numbers? 269 should be the 4, the 5, 269, 4, 5, and the 3. 4, 5, and the 3. And look, we have a 3 and a 5 here. So this box cannot be 3 or 5. The 3 and the 5 goes in those two boxes. You see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. So one digit left, the 4. Alright. 69. 269. Yes, 269. 69. Okay. 4 in this row. 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4. No 4 there. 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This box should be the 4. I've marked those two boxes with the 4 earlier. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. 1, 1. Yeah. 7, 1. How about 7? Yes. No. 7 should be there. Okay. 8. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 6, and 8. 3 missing numbers in this column. The last column. One of the missing number is an 8. We see there an 8. No 8 there. Here an 8. No 8 there. The only place for the 8 in the last column should be there. 2 numbers left. 2 and the 6. We have a 6 already in this big square, so no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6 should be here. 1 digit left in this last column for the number 2. 2 in this third column, 2 in the second column, so on the first column. The only two places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for a 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so in the row between. The only two places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 2. All right. How about the 5? 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 5 and 9. 5 and 9 are missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Those 2 numbers in this big square are reserved for the numbers 6 and 3. 6 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 6 goes there. No, we already have a 6 there. Almost made a mistake. Wow. This is not a 6. This should be the number 5. Should be a 5. 3 and a 5. Correction. Yes. So here I will put the 5 later. So here we have a 5. So this cannot be 5 anymore. This should be a 5. 2 numbers left, the 6 and the 9. We have a pair. 6 and the 9. Let me mark those. Okay, now it's dry, so I can put the 5 there. All right. 6 and a 9. 6 and a 9. The 8 is also missing here. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 6 and the 9 are missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 6 should be here. 2 boxes left in the first row. The 1 and the 8 are missing. No, cannot fill this yet. 1 and 8. How about those 2 numbers in the third row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 8 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Now we have 8 there, so this can be 8 anymore. This should be the 8. And this should be a 7. 1 box left in this column for the number 3. 3 is missing. And all the 3s are used. I can see this is number 3. All right, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row, so the row between. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here. Oh, there we see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. 8 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 9. Now we have a 9 there, so this can be 9 and more. This box should be the 9. And this should be a 6. Now we have a 6 there. So this cannot be 6 anymore. This should be the 6. And this should be the 9. 2 numbers left. The final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 6 and 8. 6 and 8. We see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Quicker than the previous Sudoku. So is it really a 4-star Sudoku? No. Because if it's a really 4-star Sudoku, I really need 30 minutes or more. So I'm very pleased with the time. And I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later in the third Sudoku, a binary puzzle. So see you later. Bye bye for now.